Now that I've completed the base sketch for my water pump, the next thing is to extrude the base. So I'm going to select the sketch, select Boss Extrude. I'll make the distance 1 inch going up, and I'm going to add draft at 7 degrees inward, and I'll accept that. I'll name my sketch base. The next step in the creation of our water pump is to make a revolved inlet in the front plane. So I'm going to select the front plane, tell I want to make a revolve, and I'll look normal to it. Use my mouse gesture to activate Smart Dimension, and I'm going to sketch the basic shape. I do want this parallel relationship to the other angled line, so I'll click to accept that. I'll close off my shape and press Escape, and then I'm going to activate Smart Dimension. So first, I'll add the angle. Then I'm going to add the 1.5 inch dimensions. Then I'm going to push Escape again. I'm going to zoom out a bit, and I want to add a center line. So I'll turn on my center line, and I want the center line, push Escape, so I can use the diameter dimensioning. So once again, I'll use mouse gestures to activate dimension. Select that endpoint, the center line. Remember, here's half, here's the diameter. Move past the center line, click to place it, and enter my 1 3/4 diameter. And I'll do the same thing down here. This is 3 inches. My sketch is fully defined. I'll push Escape. I'll right click, exit the sketch. I'm going to rotate around a bit. Because there's only one center line, it uses that as the axis of revolution by default. If that's not correct, I'll just clear this selection and select the proper line. I do want a 360-degree revolved feature with the result merge. So I'll say OK to accept that. And we'll continue from there in the next video.